Welcome to Tuesday, August 29th, 2023, your day with a podcast brought to you by Cowboy State Daily. Did you know that Cowboy State Daily publishes a digital newspaper at 5:45 a.m. every day of the week, and it's free? To get yours emailed to you every morning, subscribe at cowboystatedaily.com. We're going to have a couple of really nice days coming on up, more settled weather coming our way. Yesterday's system bringing more scattered showers and thunderstorms to some. That drier air that is behind it is now moving on in. So we'll have less of those puffy clouds out there. It'll also be trending a little bit warmer. There'll be enough residual moisture that in the region we can't rule out a few isolated showers and storms. But keyword there, isolated. There won't be very many, but a few. Overall, got a couple of really nice days coming up, and really weather pattern through Friday and into the start of the Labor Day weekend is looking good. There is a frontal system that will track across the U.S.-Canadian border as we get into Thursday and Friday, but that will mainly stay up in the Pacific Northwest, Montana, southern areas of Alberta and Saskatchewan. Then as we get into Labor Day weekend, I know a lot of folks are making their plans for the big 3-day weekend coming up. The best way I can describe the Labor Day weekend is we're going to go 2 for 3. Couple of days, the first 2 days of the 3-day weekend look like a pretty typical pattern. We'll have to deal with some thunderstorms in the afternoon hours, but temperatures will generally be warm. But the latest trend in the modeling and what we're looking at is that Monday, Labor Day Monday itself, is starting to deteriorate in terms of its weather forecast, and we'll show you here why. Some great photos is coming in from throughout the region. Just been a beautiful summer for cloud watching, sunrises and sunsets all across the Intermountain West and the Western High Plains and the Northern Plains. Thanks everybody for sending these photos in. We've had a lot of rainbow pictures this summer as well. And then look at this shot. This is from Sunday night from Dave Bell out of Pinedale. Look at the scale. We got Fremont Peak right here, a tall mountain just over 13,700 feet. So you can see for scale how impressive that thunderstorm is, lighting up the sky on that star-lit night out there. But over the next couple of days, less in the way of those clouds and just more in the way of some nice late August weather. And this is why. You see all the orange and the red coming into Wyoming, Colorado, the Four Corners area. So drier, more stable air moving on in. Here's a little bit of moisture, but this is headed to the southeast. So not a lot going on. What is going on is out in the Gulf of Mexico with Idalia, and there we go with the hurricane out there further out into the Atlantic. And as that's where all the action is really going to be weather-wise here over the next few days, with Franklin out there and then the next system headed towards Florida. This is going to strengthen rapidly and will certainly be making more news. But dry air with this high pressure moving in. Here's that low that's going to track across the U.S.-Canadian border. And there it is. This is by Thursday. So this high pressure ridge is generally going to dominate. Thunderstorm chances will be highest up here today. This is for today. A little bit of isolated shower and thunderstorm activity down in the southwestern United States, and then you can see all the activity with the tropical systems. So this is for today. This is for tomorrow. A little bit of isolated thunderstorm activity along the Front Range areas. Not much going on elsewhere. And this is as we work our way into Thursday. Just generally garden variety, monsoonal moisture bringing those late day scattered showers and thunderstorms our way. As we go forward though, let's take a look now at the Labor Day weekend. We've got another low settling into Northern California by Saturday. Now what this will do is bring southwest wind flow into the Rockies and the plains. So that's desert air coming in. So it's going to warm up. Temperatures as we get into Friday and Saturday ahead of that low will be warming up, while it will cool off and bring some showers to the Pacific Northwest. They could use some rain there, especially in Oregon, Washington State, Northern California. Some fire activity really picking up in Oregon here recently, so this will be good news there. But at least initially, this is why Labor Day weekend is going to be 2 for 3, because we'll be in the warmer southwest flow out ahead of it. But moisture will come in, so we will be dealing with showers and storms. But look what happens by Monday. We get ourselves a low pressure system settling into near Salt Lake City, and it's taking a dip further south and is going to slowly move east from here. Now, this track may vary a bit, so we'll watch this here in the coming days, but this is certainly a sign of late summer for sure. A more southerly push of the low, getting further into the Great Basin states. The high shifts into the eastern side of the country, allowing low pressure to form in the west. So we go from this Saturday to this Monday. So Saturday, Sunday, we're going to be warm, but late day thunderstorms will be around, and then the changes on Monday. So I'm going to step through now the Labor Day period from Friday through Monday, and we'll do this again later in the week. But this is sort of for long-range planning purposes for your weekend. What I'm showing you is where the afternoon and evening thunderstorms are likely going to be on Friday, concentrated down there in Arizona, through Utah and into Colorado and southern areas of Wyoming, spotty activity elsewhere. That's for Friday. This is for Saturday. So you can see it's basically in the similar areas, really wanting to hold close to the higher terrain in areas west of the divide. And this is, generally speaking, just scattered afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms here and there. That means the mornings will be fine. Most of the day will be fine, but the afternoon and evenings for Friday and Saturday, you've got to be ready for showers and storms. Same for Sunday. Sunday, those afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms are going to be around. Now, as we go into Labor Day Monday, this is a little deceptive because it's showing quite a bit of shower and thunderstorm activity over eastern Wyoming, northeast Colorado, and western Nebraska. But what this is showing is where the thunderstorms are going to be, not just plain Jane rain and rain showers. And those will be a lot more widespread. And now, this may be overdoing it, but this is for the 4-day period of Friday, okay, through Monday and into early Tuesday. So you're seeing quite a bit of a rain probability all the way back through here, basically from Friday through early Tuesday with this trough of low pressure. The majority of this is going to be in that Monday time frame with scattered showers and thunderstorms ahead of there. And as we go through temperatures, just to give you an idea of what the change will be like, this is for Saturday. Very warm out here on the plains, lots of 80s and 90s. Cooler west of the divide as the trough of low pressure moves in. This is for Sunday, similar temperatures, maybe a little bit cooler. Then look what happens by Labor Day Monday with temperatures. Quite a bit cooler. See all that blue? We're looking at, this is at noon. This is noon Monday. Temperatures as cool as just the 50s and 60s up into Yellowstone Park, in Jackson, in western and southwestern Wyoming. So quite the cool down coming for Labor Day Monday. And that's also going to be cold enough. You see those little gray patches? That's actually possibly some snowflakes over the higher mountain peaks of the west as we get into Labor Day Monday. Now, this is up very, very high, not getting down very low. So we'll continue to keep an eye on Labor Day Monday, but looks like 2 days out of 3. We'll update you as the week goes on. Have yourself a great Tuesday. See you tomorrow.